To begin, press and hold square for 3 seconds to enter programming mode. Scroll to the right to RLY for relay. Press and hold square to enter. The first relay option is LC1. You will select this when adding an electric lock. Scroll to the right, LC2. You will select this when you're adding a mag lock. Scroll to the right, RC. You will select this relay mode when adding an additional external receiver. The next option is LIT for light. You will select this option when adding an external or courtesy light. The last option is the alarm option. You will select this option on the relay for monitoring the alarm. In this example, we will select alarm. The menu reverts back to relay. Press X to get to the standby.